Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kaya and today we are going to get into a makeup look. Alright, we're going to start with our Precisely My Brow Pencil to start arching our brows and filling them in. Alright, and now to carve out my eyebrows, I'm just going to use my NARS Amande Soft Matte Complete Concealer. And I'm just blending this out with my Sephora brush to make sure that there's no harshness on my eyelid, and we can get that concealer underneath the brow blended in really nicely. Okay, brows look good. We're gonna go in with Saie, the Super Gel. What is this called? This is the Glowy Super Gel Sun Glow. I've been obsessed with this stuff. I'm actually running out, so I think I'm gonna get the bigger bottle. I was trying not to get the bigger bottle because I was just like, okay, you're gonna be taking this on trips with you, so you don't want to get, you know, too big of, you know, product because it's hard to pack so much of that. The bigger bottle, I believe, will still be like carry-on size. You know, it's not gonna be more than 3 ounces. However, like, you're packing so much stuff, so the smaller the better. Even with my hyperpigmentation marks, like, my skin looks super duper healthy. Y'all, I'm super excited to be filming today because I actually just cleaned my brushes and I love filming with clean brushes. The eye work today is going to be so simple. I'm going in first with my MAC eyeshadow. It's called Red Brick. This complements my skin so well. I cannot overstate this or understate it. Like, it's just such a good product that complements my skin. And I'm going for a more sun glow type of vibe. I'm practicing basically makeup looks that I'm gonna wear in very humid vacation climates. And I'm just gonna pack her in. I'm using my Real Techniques brush that's flat, like, because I'm trying to concentrate this color onto my lid. Once I have a really good layer of it, I'm just going to take a clean brush that I just cleaned, and I'm going to buff out the edges where it meets into that crease area, because there was some overlap there. So I'm just going to blend this into my crease area so that there's no harsh lines and that it looks very put together. And I'm just going to blend her up. Alright, so I went and picked up the Haus Labs by Lady Gaga, the highlighter balms. Today we're going to use Pure Glass because that's all I need for today. But yes, I'm going for a very healthy dewy. I think it's perfect for tropical areas because you get dewy anyways. My skin glistens as I get oilier during the day, so I think this will complement it well. It's like a little lip gloss, if you will. Oh wow. So I'm basically applying her right on top of this eyeshadow to give it this gloss. This is the Gloss Balm, and it actually is giving it a glossy vibe without picking up too much of the color, like, at all. So that's nice, because I used to just use go in when I would do these looks before. I used to just go in with a lip gloss, but this is not sticky at all. So this is very, like, the consistency is perfect to create that glossy look on those eyes. I kind of wish, y'all, that I didn't have the lashes on because I feel like it would look even more just like healthy, vibrant, young, like dewy on the lid, and the lashes kind of like cover it a little bit, but it's okay, it's fine, we're good. All right, so now we're gonna move into face. As a foundation, I'm gonna be using my Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder. And I will say, y'all, I love this product. I've been using it. As you can see, I've already tested this out during the week for work. It has been so good. Let me show you. It comes with this little spatula thing that you can apply with. And I'm going to apply this over top of my pigmentation so you can see just the coverage is given, what the coverage is given. See? Like, I'm not even bull crapping with y'all. Like, this stuff is so good. It's good coverage and it melts onto your skin as you apply. I haven't even gone in the pan again. You don't need a lot at all, depending on how much coverage you want. I want medium coverage, so I kind of apply and then I'm going to show y'all how I blend it out. But I don't need a ton of coverage. I just want like kind of like medium coverage because I have this pigmentation on my skin. And I got two. I got this. I got the number 9, which is the shade that I am right now. But I also got, I think, 9.5 because, you know, obviously I'm going to be in the sun and I'm going to get darker. And I need this to really, 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 like, come through for me. Like, I love this stuff. No lie. Like, love it. All right. I'm going to take my Sonia Kushnick brush. This is the foundation brush, I believe. And I'm going to start to blend this out. Y'all, look just how much better my skin looks. Okay, I'm gonna bronze up my skin with my Saie deep bronzer. This is and I think this is in the color Sun Melt, or it's called deep bronzer, but both of those are listed in the product description. So, but this is how this brown looks, and I think I have already bragged on Saie like so many times, so it's probably nothing new for y'all. But yeah, another top tier product for the summertime. I am gonna add, even though I don't think I need concealer because I don't have too much of a dark under eye, but it, you know, it brings the look together, you know, a little bit of concealer. So I am going to go in with a little bit of my Too Faced concealer in the color Chai. Chai is closer to my skin tone color and I don't need a lot. So I'm just going to put just a little section here, and then up my upper lip that I'm going to blend out, and then I'm going to blend out on my nose. I've been loving to blend out my concealer with my new M132 concealer brush from Morphe. This brush is actually so darling. It sucks that it's white because, you know, it's gonna get kind of like dirty, but it looks good. I like it a lot, and it's, you know, a really good size for blending concealer. So the next thing we're gonna do is go in with blush, and I have this Tower 28 blush. It's called Beach Please Golden Hour, and I think it'll be perfect for the look that I'm going for today. So let's start there. Now I'm gonna set underneath my eyes with my Laura Mercier in the color Translucent Medium Deep. And I do this with this, like, I don't know what this is called, the little triangle sponge thing. And I'm gonna just tap all this excess off because I don't like using too much powder because it does sit in my crease a lot. So if I pack on too much, I just noticed that my crease just sits. It's just so much more evident that I like the crease area underneath my eye when I have too much powder, too much under there. So yeah, I just tap off the excess. We're gonna let this sit and we'll finish up the rest of our face. Okay, so while my face is setting, I am gonna go in with my ColourPop Wisp Super Shock highlighter. I'm gonna take her right underneath my brow and where this the Dew highlighter from Haus Labs, Dew Balm, I'm sorry, where they meet. But I think this is gonna help blend that part out so that it's not looking like it's harsh. And then it's like this highlighter that gives it a little bit of more shine. Yeah. Oh, I love it. I'm quite loving the way this is coming out, but let's go ahead and just tap in that additional powder that may be a little still loose on the face. I'm gonna tap that in. Then to set my full face, I'm gonna be using the Sephora Microsmooth Powder 75 Hazelnut Deep Golden. And I'm just using this to set everywhere else besides underneath my eyes. So yeah, I'm gonna use my one size setting spray because I actually want to see how this works out. So I'm gonna start with Trendsetter as my liner for today. Now I'm gonna go over top with my FENTY Glass Slipper Lip Gloss. Next, I'm gonna go over with some type of pink gloss. This is the pink gloss that I have today. This came in a pack, so we'll see. I'm gonna have to find out like what this is, but I got it in a pack, I think from like as a gift, and I don't know, but anyway, I'm gonna have to find another pink like this because this is perfect for like a natural nude pink look, you know, for me, for my complexion. I hope you guys like this look as much as I do because I'm in love, and yes, I'm definitely wearing this out of town. Yeah. All right, beauties, that is the end of this video, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this look as much as I do. I'm definitely gonna wear this out. I think my favorite products for this one was the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Balm Powder, Saie Deep Bronzer, and the Haus Labs. Come on now with the eyes, come on. The Balm, it worked perfectly. This is the highlighter lip balm, but it worked perfectly. So those would be my top 3. Like, if I had to put emphasis on anything, it would be these products right here to put emphasis on, you know? Yeah. But anyways, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead on and about my day, wear this out, and yeah, I'm still vlogging today, so you'll be able to see how this wears all day long. I've already tried this Yummy Skin from Danessa Myricks like all week for work, so I kind of know how she wears, but I'm interested to see how the Haus Labs wears. So if you're not already, go watch my weekly vlogs so you'll be able to see how these products wear all day for me. But anyways, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in to another makeup video. I feel like I'm getting so much better at these, but if you don't mind, if you did like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of me, more content from me, and yeah, I hope to see y'all in the next video.